Message natin si Marga. Share niya rin.
Para ma-share niya. Gagawin, hindi ko pala na-like yung foundation page. With my account. Yeah.
Para 9 o'clock sharp start na tayo.
Yep, sige. Sure.
Good evening, guys.
Sino na nandyan? Kumain na kayo, guys.
Hopefully, nag-dinner na kayo. Since gabi na. So review lang ulit tayo. No? Medyo maganda-ganda yung galaw ng PSEi. So let's see kung ano yung mga pwede pa natin i-trade in the coming days. And review din natin yung mga gumalaw kanina. No? So quick review lang tayo. Tapos same as always, kung may mga request kayo, type nyo lang dyan sa chat box. Chart natin mga yan. Yan na ba? Kunti pa lang, 8 viewers.
10. Viewers.
So feel free to share yung live stream namin. No? Kung may mga kilala kayong interested to learn or yung mga walang magawa. Pwede mag-join sa PSEi review. Tsaka ba, Jimmie? Ayan, kala ko na putol.
Dito ako.
Anyway, sige, start na tayo. No? So, good evening, guys. Sabi nga kanina, quick review lang tayo ng index. Tapos kung may mga gusto kayong silip na chart, just feel free to type dyan sa comment box. So, review natin index, no? Pag tinignan natin, actually, maganda yung galaw niya today. Let's see kung masustain niya. On the longer time frame, check natin yung weekly, no? If we look at this trend line, breakout na. Hopefully, but masustain lang ng end of week based on this weekly chart. At the same time, if we plot yung supports and resistances, breakout din siya dito sa resistance at 7,000, The past few weeks, doon siya lagi nauntog eh. If we shift back to the daily chart, no? Laging untog dito sa 6-9 levels. Pero kanina, nag-breakout din na rin tong resistance. So let's see kung ano yung gawin niya in the coming days, no? And then actually, if you look at it, yung karamihan dun sa bumuhat nito would be yung banking. O yun, dyan si Milo. NFT na lang ba, Milo? Hindi na nagtatrade ng PSEi.
Nagtatrade na ng crypto.
Puro crypto na lang si Milo eh. Si Prince Carl, ano raw yung masasabi natin sa all-day IPO?
Ako, hanggat walang chart, wala akong masasabi.
Yeah, so the way we trade kasi is based on technicals, no? Sir Prince. So we'll be waiting for yung first trading day. Hanap tayo ng setups to see how we can trade intraday. So pwede dyan gawin is on the open, look at the intraday, pwedeng mga 5-minute chart,
3 minutes.
or 3 minutes, and then wait for consolidation, breakouts, MA trail. So same setups pa rin naman as what we used to trade. But on the intraday kasi for the first IPO day, usually may volatility din. Saka alam ko magaan yung market cap nito eh. Pero let's see. Parang wala pang ang price eh. Tayin natin. Ayan, si Sherwin no, nag-request ng Wilcon. Mamaya, tingnan natin yan.
Wait. Naputol ka.
Review muna natin yung movers. Okay na ako?
Yan, okay na.
Okay, sabihan mo na ako pag choppy para ulitin ko na lang.
Sige.
So, review muna natin, no? Kanina kasi, pwede natin tignan muna yung financial sector, no? Puro, if you look at the top movers, kasi kanina, wala pa lang sector analysis here. If you look at the movers, most of it will be yung banking. So, I think yung nanguna dito would be si BDO eh. Nag-breakout last Friday, no? Coming from here. So, sa mga nakabili, congrats sa inyo. Kasi if you look at it, malaki rin upside eh. Medyo ingat-ingat lang tayo dun sa gap at this level. Here. Baka mag-resist, no? Dito sa gap. Yun natin red para resistance. Pero yung next key level niya is really here. So, maganda-ganda yung upside, no? Kung nakabili kayo kahit end of day nung Friday. Risk reward niya nasa mga 3% risk for 9 to 11 to 15% gain. Tapos pag tinignan mo kanina, actually nagsigalawan na rin yung ibang bank eh. Parang pag tinignan mo si MBT, take out din from this microbox consolidation, no? Break out from this box, but at the same time, tingnan natin kung ano gagawin dito sa resistance. Tapos I think SecB rin top mover eh. So,
Yup, I think top mover.
Breakout din from this key level, no? So let's see, parang nagkakabuhay yung PSE, no? Hopefully, magkaroon ng mini rally throughout October, November, December, no? Para maganda yung bigayan. Para masaya yung mga Pasko natin. Tapos yung isang big mover would be si Converge, no? It's a normal bounce play lang. So actually, if you look at the Fibonacci to catch yung support areas, plot natin hanggang sa base, no? Saktong-sakto yung bounce point niya, no, dito sa near 33 levels. Guhit na guhit. So sa mga nakasalo kanina, congrats. Maganda rin yung gain neta from the bottom. So mga kung nakasalo kayo sa Fibonacci area, that's a 7% gain. Tapos yun sa mga may hawak na nito, looking to see kung saan pwede mag-sell, pwedeng reverse Fibonacci. So tingnan natin ang reaction dito sa 37.4 area, no? So the significant zones for Fibonacci would be here. 37.4, 37.5, at saka dito sa mga 40 pesos area. So let's see. Normally 2 to 3 days yung rally pag bounce plane, no? So let's see kung hanggang dito lang siya then mag-resist or kung paabutin niya dito sa 40.4. That's still another 3 to 11% na gain. So yun, normal bounce play lang. May mga ba dyan? Request ba dyan, Jimmie, from the others?
So far, ang request ay ang una ay Wilcon.
Wilcon. Okay na round nito.
Nag-gap fill si Wilcon eh.
So yung Wilcon, kaya nagkaroon ng big rally dito sa area na to. Kasi dinagdag na siya sa index, di ba?
Panic buying yung mga tao. So yung
yun,
second day,
karoon ng volatility. At the same time, pag tignan natin kung saan siya nag-resist, no? Plot lang natin yung Darvas Box target price setting, no? So pag tinignan mo yung Darvas Box TP, lang talaga siya take profit area dito sa 35 pesos. Nag-overshoot lang ng malaking wick. But this was a may sell dito. Sell indicator dito sa 35 pesos area. Tapos the next day, hindi niya na rin lagpasan yun. Hanggang doon lang talaga muna siya in the meantime. Currently, if we look at si Wilcon, and it's looking for support, no? So, pag tinignan natin, this is creating another consolidation range. Hindi pa sure kung support confirmation na to. Pero maganda kung dyan na siya mag-support, di ba? Kasi this was the previous consolidation area. So, this was the previous resistance. So, ngayon, it's testing to see kung magsusupport ba siya dyan. So, nice to see tomorrow and in the coming days kung magsusupport tong and mag-hold tong 30 peso area. So, pag tomorrow, mag-gap up siguro dito or it's able to stay above the 30 pesos or pwedeng sukatin mo na hanggang itong week 29.9. So 29.9 to 30 pesos as long as mag-hold above that, pwede kayo mag-tranche buy tapos hold your positions as long as the consolidation holds. But syempre, when nabasag tong support area, either pwede kayo mag-cut and then look for other entries like for example dito sa midpoint or dito sa box bottom. Diba? So yung catch zones yan can be here 27.7 or here dito sa box bottom ng mga 25.9. At the same time, may MA50 dito. So, ito yung potential for me. Ito yung potential catch areas based on technicals na may price action. No? And then, this is another trade idea kung mag-hold to. So, these are the key levels na nakita ko. Ikaw, Jimmie, may ma-add ka here? I will call.
Wala naman. Yan din lang yung analysis ko eh. Like, currently, it's sitting on top of the consolidation but not looking good so far, no? Yung candle medyo nakakatakot.
Pero
And
tama
ito,
eh.
may sinasabi dito si Sir Philip, no? Ang laki daw ng volume nung Friday, pero today ang konti ng sell-off. Kapag tinignan 5 minutes chart, malaki talaga yung buy volume. Malaki yung buy volume because institutions were executing EOD. Ganun kadalasan yung makikita nyo kapag index inclusion, you can go to ASEN. ASEN August 8. August 8. Ayan, nakita mo yung spike ng pinamalaking volume na green?
Ito.
Yan. Oo, yan. End of day, nag-gap up close din yan eh. Mock up close. Since institutions are required to buy kasi bago sa index. Then, Monday yung effectivity ng inclusion ng Wilcon, which is today. Dapat by Friday may hawak na sila. So, kahit magkano yung presyo, kailangan nila a certain percentage of their portfolio should contain Wilcon. Kaya yun. Kaya malaki yung volume. Yes.
Dito. Dito naman, although maliit yung volume, which might make you think na, konti lang sellers. If you look at the candle psychology, kasi this is a very bearish candle eh, di ba? Parang nag-sell down from 32.7 all the way to 30.4. Gap down pa siya, di ba? On top of the big black candle or BBC. So, tingnan natin, no? Ideally, mag-antay tayo ng konting signs of bullishness dito. Hopefully, masustain nga siya either 30.4 and up. Then, maybe pwede mag-test buy. But your key is mag-hold mo na siya dito. Pag wala, syempre you have to practice your risk management and tranching. No? Kasi, syempre, pag nabasag yung support, dito na yung next, niya, sa low. And that's a heavy drop, no? Halos 9%, 10%. So, medyo ingat-ingat na lang when trading it. But that's the current move that it's doing. Testing yung area of support na to. Kung goods, edi hold lang. Kasi baka may further move up kasi all-time high play din to. But at the same time, pag na-invalidate, know when to set your stops and cuts. So, yun. Ano pa, Jimmie?
Next is EMP daw. Ano ba nangyari sa EMP? Nandun pa rin ba siya sa TikTok? Sumasayaw-sayaw?
Nakakainis kasi itong EMP eh. Parang tagal mag-consolidate.
Yung parang jejebs ka pero nasa dulo tapos ayaw lumabas. Parang gano'n.
Diba? Kasi ito yung ginagalaw ni EMP, no? So if we just look at the technicals, ano pa na naman siya? May alignments yung mga moving averages which indicates na buhay pa naman yung uptrend. At the same time, pag tinignan natin yung box consolidations, it's creating a series of boxes going up pa din naman. So uptrending boxes, uptrending yung moving averages. RSI is still good. about 50, moving from 50 to 70 and up, and doon siya naggagalaw-galaw. So, good RSI, M8, saka consolidation ng boxes. But the thing is, ang tagal kasi ng consolidation nitong EMP. But kung sa pwede at sa hindi pa, the uptrend pa naman is still intact. For me, as long as mag-hold tong box consolidation, no? So, as long as mag-hold tong MA, which is mga 18 pesos, and as long as mag-hold tong box bottom, which is 17.5. So, kung mag-hold tong dalawang key levels na to, possible may continuation pa to. Kasi if you look at the weekly, ano ba galaw nito sa weekly? Parang nag-CH, no? Consolidation at the highs, yung galaw. At the same time, ay, okay pa ba lang ba tong M? Or MYH lang?
Alam ko 80H yan. Hindi ba 80H?
8H move pala. Tama, all-time high pala. So parang currently it's doing consolidation at the highs na pwede pang
Hindi.
umakit.
Putol yung chart.
Kulang.
Putol ba yung chart mo sa weekly? Yeah, putol. Hindi yata naglo-load ba? Ano yan
2014.
pinaka-ano mo?
2014.
Hanggang 2013 kasi siya eh.
Okay. So may next level pa pala to.
Oo. Pero nasa sell area siya.
Okay. So yun lang. Currently at this level, parang okay pa naman as long as mag-hold tong 18 pesos and itong 17.5. So, pero the thing about it niya, if you plan to trade this, medyo matagal lang yung mga consolidations niya, no? Looking at the past 2 boxes. So, kailangan medyo patient ka.
Sa weekly, Mike, yung all-time high na body is 1926.
So, malapit na, no?
19.26.
Somewhere here.
Weekly body,
Here. Yan.
19.26.
So, medyo maliit lang yung upside though to that level na sinasabi ni Jimmie. So, medyo lang. Kasi may mga ibang charts pa that might be able to give better returns.
All-time high is 22.
So, pero tingnan natin, di ba? Kung nabasag niya, baka malaki pa rin naman yung upside to 22 kung kakayanin niya. So, ano pa, Jimmie? Request.
Next is BDO.
Meron na video kanina.
BDO na-discuss na. And
So,
breakout. Medyo
danan lang natin mabilis, no? So, if you look at BDO, may gap lang dito sa left side. Late entry na if today ka papasok. Kung di man nakatch yun, gap up nung open, medyo mahirap na sakyan, no? Kasi malaki na yung risk. Pero Friday yung ideal entry. Clean breakout from the multi-year high. Tapos now, it's looking for resistance na eh. Baka mag-resist dito sa gap or dito sa key level. So, yun na lang yung Ideally, may hawak ka. Ito yung potential sell areas natin. Ano pa?
JFC.
GFC.
Alam ko breakout din yan eh. Breakout
mga
nga ba?
Hindi pa. So, mga index names. Mostly, banking muna yung tumatakbo now. So, let's see kung sumunod yung ibang industries, no? Saka sectors. JFC, currently, it's moving within this consolidation range pa eh. Tapos, Microbox, magaslaw din yung galaw eh. Saka yung mga consolidations for me. Ito yung potential na box consolidation here. Tapos, meron naman, it's trying to consolidate naman here. But maybe the easier entry might be pagkabasag na lang ng resistance level here sa 216. Ano rin yata yan eh. Ayan, multi-year high din tong level na to on the body. 216.87. Tapos, ito na yung next level of resistance. 216 and then 224. Pwede ka siguro mag-tranche within this consolidation range pero the easier buy might be here sa breakout. Mas manipis na yung resistances na kailangan kainin. Although yun, watch out ka lang sa key levels to the left. Kasi baka mag-resist pa tong mga to. No? Tong zone to. So, yun.
Yun, si JFC, si Aba. Buhay pa ba si Aba?
Aba, ba ginagawa na tong si Aba? Parang kanina pala nagpakita ng konting buhay eh. So, Aba, previously we were looking at it on the weekly chart eh, para mas mabilis makita yung supports and resistances, no? Like this. Tapos body to body plotting kasi ang daming overshoots. So, if you look at it, currently talaga intraday, on the longer time frame, may konting resistance talaga dito sa 1.17 levels, 1.2. But at the same time, may supports talaga dito sa near the psych
MA20.
MA20
Piso?
tsaka near piso. Dito medyo 1.02 siya nag-support. No? So, if you shift back to the daily, ayun, medyo nagpakita ng signs of life kanina. Pero mahirap lang tong i-trade medyo kasi it's just
Sideways.
a big sideways move. And mahirap nga i-trade yun sideways kasi parang dami niyang kailangan i-overcome na resistance kagad. So, dito may resistance, for example. Tapos pagkaakyat niya dito may resistance na naman. Ay, mali. Dito may resistance na naman. 'Di ba? Tapos dito rin. Dito. Diba? So, ang daming resistances. Pero, currently, medyo malakas naman yung galaw niya kanina. No? So, let's see kung ano pa yung potential moves niya here. Pero normally kasi pag mga ganitong sideways move, mas maganda mag-catch sa support areas eh. So yung ideal talaga nito is buying near piso. Tapos easy cut. Cut ka agad below. Maybe lagay ka ng few flux na buffer. Pero that seems to be the support area.
Malaki kasi yung range from 1 to 1.16. Parang kung bibili ka sa 1, you're contented to sell sa 1.16 eh. Kaya ang hirap i-trade kung kunyari mag-buy on breakout ka. Bebenta ka na nakabili sa piso.
Oo. Ano pa naman to? Per flux, since medyo penny stock yung moves na ito.
1%
Per flux,
yan per flock halos eh. Diba?
masakit yung galaw eh. So, have to keep that in mind. So, yun.
Mm-hmm.
Ano pa?
Sunod ay, ano ba to? Teka, na ano ko eh. SMPH.
SMPH.
Breakout ba yan? Alam ko medyo may move din
Breakout
siya
din.
kanina.
So, similar to, sideways pa yung galaw niya, no? Although, if we look at it talaga, if we zoom in on the micro consolidations, breakout siya kanina. So, this might be a potential trade if you want. Kasi maliit lang yung risk eh. Diba? From this breakout area, ano ba yung risk mo? You can set this point as your cut. If it goes below 35, you can cut it na. Or lagi ka ng konting buffer, 34.9, diba? Just a 1%, 1 to 2% risk. At the same time,
Magkano
yung
yung breakout
upside,
point?
breakout point, ito 35.
35.
Itong key level. So, pwede mo lagyan ng konting buffer to your cut. At the same time, if you're looking for resistances, dito yung significant key level area na, which is 38. So, yung potential reward from here, pwede na, mga 7%. But at the same time, meron rin micro resistances to look at here. May maliit na gap kasi dito eh. So let's see kung mag-resist tong area or mamaniin lang. Kasi medyo bullish din naman yung index now eh. So, ito yung ideal TP, 7%. But watch out for yung mga gap kung mauntog doon. At the same time, watch out din for RSI 70. Kasi minsan may RSI 70 untog eh. Before siya tumuloy talaga. So, yun. But on the bigger picture, sideways move pa talaga siya. Although may konting breakout dito sa micro consolidation. So, yun. May pa bang ano? Puro index.
Meg daw po ba ay breakout na? Alam ko parang,
Meg.
oo. May
Tignan
properties na
natin.
gumalaw kanina eh.
So, yung mga rine-request ng mga viewers natin yan, mostly it's properties and banking. So, if you look at these, saan ba yung nito? Body to body plotting, pwedeng ito kasi yung resistance eh. So 3 pesos, no? Tingnan lang natin tomorrow. Ito kasi yung weak resistance, mga 3.06. Body is mga 3.02. So currently hindi pa naman nagbe-breakout. Pwede mo siya tignan as a breakout play and then watch out na lang for the 3.3 level. So medyo 10% na yata yun, no? Potentially. Hindi pala, mga 8%. So potential trade idea is buying on the breakout from this, on the body or on the wick. Tapos check to see kung mag-resist dito. So kung mag-resist dyan, pwede kayo mag-sell kasi confluence yan of the key level and also of the RSI 70 which might resist. At the same time, pag tumuloy, ito na yung next key level. 3.69. 3.70. Yeah. So watch out for these areas, no? Baka yung potential sell. At the same time, watch out talaga dito sa area na to kasi ito din yung previous supports eh. Nung time na to. 'Di ba? Tapos dito sa nag-roll reversal na, naging resistance na siya. So, watch out tayo dyan sa area of price action levels na to. So, yun. Ano pa, Jimmie?
Ano pang next? SMPH, MEG, Wilcon, RRHI.
RHI. Ito yung medyo okay naman yung galaw nito. So, if you look at it, it broke out kasi from this big consolidation range. Diba? Tanggalin natin yung kulay. So, it broke out from this range. Currently, it's ito pala.
Finding
Medyo
a
dun
support
siya
siguro.
medyo dun siya sa body nagre-react as support, no? Tignan natin. So, currently, it's supporting dito sa area na to. May consolidation range tayo here.
Pwede ba siyang CH pasado?
Pwede naman siyang CH. Check natin yung box range, no? Kasi normally for consolidation at the highs, mga 5% range. Medyo may konting lagpas. Pero pasang-awang
Pasang-awa.
CH or
Pasang-awa.
consolidation of the highs. Pero the thing about this din kasi is, titignan mo rin yung upside, no? Kasi, syempre, itong mga levels na to, it might resist before going to the ideal sell area. Ito yung mas maraming dito eh. Pag tinignan mo yung chart, mas maraming price rejection at 70 peso area. So parang yan talaga yung magandang sell zone. But at the same time, may rin dito eh, may konting resistance din at this area, this low, saka yung mga key levels here. Pwede naman to i-trade looking at this as the support area, no? Pwedeng buy near 58.8, 58.6 levels. Pwede mag-catch zone dito sa area na to. Pero at the same time, syempre, pag na-invalidate, know when to cut. But a potential trade idea here can be buying near supports dito sa area na to. Pwede rin buying near the breakouts here. But at the same time, be wary of reactions to these areas, no? Pero ito talaga yung mas matibay na resistance ng 70. Ito may mga minor resistance areas. So yun. Yun yung mga trade ideas here. Add ka na, Jimmie, pag may...
Yeah, oo. So, ayun,
Ba't
yun yung RRHI.
Ba't kaya mo yung mukha mo?
Hindi, binabasa ko kasi ito. Titanong si
Focus
Gian
ka
eh.
kasi si Gian
So,
wala na dyan.
mismong AB Cap charting yung gamit. Yes, sir. AB Capital yan.
So,
AB Capital na app.
alternative charting tools lang, no? Para, alam ko naman most of the people chart using Investa, but just showcasing na pwede rin mag-chart dito sa AB Cap.
AB Capital.
Kasi syempre minsan nagda-down or naglalag din si Investa, di ba? So may mga alternatives din tayo.
So, ayun.
So, yun.
Proceed tayo. Ito, Si GMA7.
GMA7. Ito maganda yung reaction kanina. No? So, if you look at it, ang swabe ng retest dito sa all-time high area. So, here, ano na lang, lagi sinasabi ni Herbs, dinilaan lang yung area na to, no, which is 14.9. And then, umakyat na. So, I think na-discuss rin natin to last week eh. May mga nagtatanong ng GMA7. So, what we said was that good catch
near
zone for
backstop, diba?
this.
Near
Buy
backstop.
near this area. So, buy
Is
near
nangyari.
14.7, which is the backstop on the body. 14.7 to 15 can be the buy or catch zone. So, umakyat na siya ng, anong percent to? 3%? Hindi pala. 5-6% from the box bottom. So let's see kung may lakas to in the coming days. Potentially, kung wala pa kayong hawak, pwedeng buy on the breakout from the 16.2 or dito sa candle wick pag sigurista kayo, 16.6. Then let's see kung saan yung next area of resistance niya. No? So pwedeng sell on box TP ulit. Ayan natin kung saan yung Darvas na sell area. So, potential sell can be here, 18.5, 17.5, no? Tingnan niya natin kung may confluence dito sa big box. So, yun. So, if you look at it, mas medyo may, confluence of resistances dito sa mga 18.6 area. So, let's see kung mag-resist dyan sa price level na yan. But even if you catch it dito sa breakout, may mga 9 to 12% na upside. Pero syempre, kung na-invalidate yung trade, just know when to cut. But this can be a potential all-time high rally. So yun. Tapos yung story yata na binibuild din nito is di ba? Syempre election. So may kita na naman yung mga TV networks.
Mm-hmm.
So yun. Yung si GMA.
GMA. So ayun. MBT daw.
MBT. Ayun, so good evening sa mga viewers natin, no? Shout out dito kay Sir Keister who's watching with us tonight. MBT, sige. Na-discuss namin kanina pero ulitin ko lang kasi konti pa lang yung viewers nun. So, if you look at MBT, medyo nagrarally yung mga financial stocks, no? Triggered by yung galaw ni BDO nung Friday. Currently, box breakout na siya here. The challenge na dito kay MBT, if you're planning to enter it pa lang, malaki na yung risk mo towards this point of resistance na breakout, no? Which is a 5% risk na. Tapos yung upside mo maliit na lang to this resistance area kasi 50 pesos might resist. Kasi, if you look at it, twice na siya nag-react dyan as resistance. So, it might resist again here. So, medyo ingat-ingat na lang. Kasi malaki na rin yung rally na ginawa niya, no? Non-stop yung akyat niya from this level of support. That's already a 12% move up, 13%. Pagdating dito, mga 15% move up na. So, medyo ingat-ingat kasi syempre, those who are able to buy at the lows might think to also sell here. So, pag ngayon ka palang bibili, medyo ingat-ingat. Also, this is a big consolidation range, no? So, normally kasi for price consolidation movements, nagsiswing lang talaga yung price from box bottom to box top. Premium setup to for swing and range traders. They just buy near the bottom. So ito yung area of support niya na if you look at it. Yan. Tapos normally dito sila nagbebenta. Either here sa box top or dito.
Basta yung buo sell area yung from dyan to backstop.
So if you're thinking to enter pa lang, medyo trade with caution na lang kasi alam natin na sell area tong level na to. And ito yung ideal catch zone kasi it's a big range. Swak siya for swing trading.
Mm-hmm.
So yun. Meron pa bang iba?
MBT.
MBT.
Ano pa? Home.
Home. Ano ba galaw nitong home? Si home, so si home, pag tingnan natin, ito yung big consolidation range niya eh. Diba? So, dito siya nag-break out. Here, wait. Expand natin tong box kasi nag-weak lang siya. So, currently, nag-test siya dito sa 9.7 area, no? And it's holding. Medyo maganda yung consolidation na ginagawa niya here, eh. It's a strong consolidation range. Pero currently, dito sa micro-consolidation na to, I think nagre-resist to sa midpoint, eh. Yan. Diba? So, trade ideas dito potentially, pwedeng buy near supports, near 9.7 area. Yan. Ito. Medyo tinetest niya as support eh. It seems to be holding. Pag hindi, pwede rin dito sa 9.5 area. Or itong 9.3. So, dyan yung potential catch zones. But currently, mukhang nag-hold naman tong 9.7. Pag gusto niya ng trading on momentum, can trade it on the breakout of the 10 peso area. Mga 10.1 yata to. But ideally, if you plan to trade it on the breakout, baka wait for end of day or maybe apply tranching. Kasi if you look at it, the past 4 days, puros nagpapaasa siya ng intraday tapos biglang magkaka-sell down, no? And it will always close below. So a safe way to trade this might be end of the day, or if you plan to trade it intraday ng breakout idea, maybe tranche lang muna given the nature of the consolidation. May sellers talaga dito sa midpoint area na 10 pesos na hindi niya pa currently nababasag. But the price action and RSI look good eh. Parang pag successfully na breakout niya to, sasabay din yung RSI, no? So magkakaroon ng momentum move upwards. At the same time, maganda, interesting din tong home. Kasi if you look at it, ano siya eh, malapit siya mag multi-year high and then all-time high breakout na. So, ito yung gusto natin abangan din. So, if you miss the micro moves at this area, nice to see kung ano yung magiging reaction niya to the 11.6 to 12 peso areas. Kasi alam natin syempre na all-time high breakouts normally magandang bigayan dyan. So pwedeng mag-tranche na tayo here. Wait for reactions here, di ba? But syempre pag nagkaroon ng sell-off here, know when to set your stops para hindi lang din mawala yung gains kung nakabili ka sa ilalim. Pero yun anything can happen kasi in trading di ba? So dapat we have several trade plans para depending on ano yung galaw na gawin ng stock. Ready tayo. Pero yun, dami kong sinasabi na. Pero yun, buy near supports lang at this area or here. And then watch out for these areas of resistance. So 10.8, 11.3, saka tong 12 peso area. So yun.
Ako, comment ko lang, baka nahirapan sa RSI, kaya nauntog dyan. So, baka MA20. Yung
Pwede. Kasi pwede rin mauntog siya sa RSI 70, no? So, mangyari dyan, nagkaroon ng bearish divergence. Pag nauntog dyan, magkakaroon ng retracement. That's why abang-abang tayo. So, tama si Jimmie, possible MA20. Pero looking at the DNA, parang hindi niya rin respect yung MA20 as a trail pa eh. So, caution na lang din siguro. Pero, medyo magsuswak yun dito pag dito siya mag-catch. So, yun.
Home. Ano pa ba?
Ano pa?
All HC.
All HC.
May nag-request din na ASEN eh. Sunod mo na lang yun.
Ayun, medyo similar yung galaw no? Pero if you look at all HC kasi, if you look at the RSI kasi, medyo
divergence na yan. Tatlo.
Multiple divergence, So if you look at the pivot points ng RSI, pahina siya ng pahina here. Although yung price action natin, pataas ng pataas. So medyo ako, if you look at all HC, medyo I'd say, trade with caution na tayo dito. At the same time, if you look at the box consolidations, type 3 boxes yung ginagawa niya. Diba? So, medyo magaslaw yung move up niya in terms of yung mga Darvas boxes na ginagawa. Personally, I'd say mag-ingat kasi yung move on the RSI, it's creating a series of lower highs. Baka magka-sell off soon. Pero the bear div kasi is not an indicator to sell. But for me, it's an indicator to be careful. Kasi humihina na siya ng humihina. In order to negate kasi this bearish divergence, ideally mag-create siya ng higher high sa RSI. But unless that happens, medyo bearish yung sentiment ko for this stock. So, ikaw Jimmie, may add ka dito?
Wala naman, yun lang. Triple point divergence.
Yun.
So, ingat lang.
Si Asen tells a
naman,
different
hindi.
story eh.
Malakas
diba?
pa rin.
if you compare it, mas may lakas siya kaysa sa All HC. Kasi if you look at it, this is the box consolidation. Tinest lang ng candle na to, tapos tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung run up. But the challenge here dito sa Asen, tuloy-tuloy na kasi yung akit niya. So, medyo
trend
mahirap.
follow na lang yata yan eh. Parang yung ginawa ni Wilcon, trend follow na lang siya nung huli.
Tinan ko nga yung EMA 9, no?
EMA 9.
Moving average exponential. Ayan. So, pwedeng trend follow on the EMA 9. Kasi if you look at it, dun siya nag-trail currently, no? So, parang converge, parang Wilcon lang, di ba? And then, si Wilcon di yata nag-trail sa EMA 9 eh. Pero si Converge, alam ko nagte-trail. So, if you look at it, kung trend follow trader ka, hopefully, nasakyan niya to. Kasi easy buy lang every time it touches the EMA 9, nag-hold. Tapos, do end of day trades. Pero pag nabasag na tong EMA 9 trail, syempre, cash your chips na. So, get your wins kapag nabasag na yan. Currently, buhay pa naman. At the same time, RSI is going strong, so may momentum. MAs are also aligned, so strong move going up. At the same time, all-time high play din to. But the thing is, if you look at the risk-reward ratio kasi from this point until here, medyo malaki na rin yung risk, no? Mga 6%. So, depende sa risk appetite ninyo. At the same time, if you look at the Darvas TP here, medyo near sell area na rin here. Kung mag-resist dyan. Pero it looks to be a good trend follow stock. Parang mahirap siya bilhin din on Jimmie breakouts.
Mahirap kasi pagka yung nagti-TF na lang yan, hindi mo alam kailan magkakabusan. Tapos, paminsan pagkabili mo EMA 9, tapos parang 3 araw lang, baka na.
Oo.
Baka may mas mabilis na trade na iba.
Seems to be an easier trend follow trade than a momentum breakout trade. Kasi parang pag tinignan mo rin kasi yung mga box breakouts niya here, diba? After ng breakout, malit na akyat tapos consolidate. Diba?
Buy on support.
Tapos after ng galaw na yan, ito, consolidation ulit. Breakout, tapos consolidate. Ito lang, medyo malaki yung rally niya from here. Tapos consolidate ulit. Diba? Easier to buy near supports na EMA 9 for me, for Asen. Tapos ingat na lang dito sa sell area. Pag nag-momentum buy ka kasi dito, baka ma-shake ka lang eh. So, yun. Si Sir Kanoy, si Meg, na-discuss na namin kanina eh. Panood na lang ng replay.
Globe daw, globe.
Si Home Sir Philip, na-discuss na rin namin kanina eh. Panood na lang ng replay. Globe, ano na ba galaw na ito?
Wala. Divergence.
Ito ba? Tama ba to?
Hindi, wala ka sa right. Nasa right ka ba? Globe ba yan? Di yan yung globe ba? Globe ba yan? Change mo nga yung time frame.
Parang weird na ito.
Balik mo sa 1 day.
Yun.
Divergence na yan.
So parang if you look at it, similar yung
All HC.
All HC. Same yung ginagawa, no? So I'll plot the boxes and the indicators para lang ipakita. So, series of slow boxes going up. So, medyo mabagal yung consolidation na move up niya no, ng boxes kasi yung consolidations niya nag-overlap. This is what we call a type 3 box consolidation which indicates a slow uptrend. No? At the same time, yun nga, yung RSI niya is creating a series of lower highs indicating a slowdown dun sa move up niya. So personally, I'd also be careful in trading this similar to all HC. Medyo ingat-ingat na lang. Kasi normally, after a series of bear div, nagkakabuhusan. Pero let's see. Possible din kasi na magkaroon ng negation, no? Just to be open-minded about it. Pag nagkaroon ng lakas here, tapos nabasag tong RSI na to, possible na may continuation pa. Pero until such time na tuloy-tuloy lang yung lower highs, medyo ingat-ingat when trading it. Short term, ito lang yung tinitingnan natin na baka mag-support tong area na to. Kasi if you look at it, ano rin, based on the box consolidations, the midpoint is the one that's acting as support. So another tidbit to share with you guys. Dito siya nagsusupport to. Midpoint neto, it's supporting here. Midpoint neto, currently, it's supporting. So let's see kung mag-hold tong area na to. Pag nabasag to, tapos nabasag to, nako, ingat na lang. Ano pa? Meron pa ba?
Monday!
Galaw na itong si Monde. So, Monde. Galaw na ito. RSI. Monde.
Parang gumawa ng box pero yung gap
So,
pa rin.
parang, if you look at it, currently, apart from the gap resisting, so parang ito yung kanina ko pa sinasabi na gap resist, diba? So, this is a stock example ng nag-resist yung gap. So, it tried to move up from this breakout sa midpoint pero nag-resist. At the same time, very clear no na ang resistance talaga ng itong si Monde in the meantime is really this midpoint. 'Di ba? Lagi pag tinatouch yung midpoint area, it's closing below. So, ngayon, nagko-consolidate pala siya below the midpoint. But maybe an easier trade for this might be either on the support area kasi maganda rin tong supports na to eh. If you look at it, MA50 talaga yung trail niya. So, pwedeng wait for support catch near this area.
or
So, that's a
MA50.
17.5 to 17.8, no? Gawin kong green kasi catch zone. That can be a potential buy area. Or pwede rin buy on breakout dito. Problema mo lang kasi if you buy on breakout here, ang lapit lang ng resistance mo dito, no? Which is a scary area kasi sell zone yan. Supply zone. So, yun. Yun si Monde. Easier to buy near this support area. Patience lang though. Pero kung gusto nyo mag-buy on momentum, pwedeng here din na yung mga 19 peso area but best if it's end of day. So, yun. Yun lang si Monde.
Or antay mo lang MA50. Baka humabol yan tapos tapikin yan. Tapik.
Oh, but easier to catch on support tong si Monde for me.
Ito, meron pa isa.
Ano pa?
Del Monte.
Tagal ka tititignan na. Maganda na ito. Medyo sideways. If you zoom out. Meron dito. Sige natin ganyan. Sideways move, no? Ginagawa niya. Big sideways. Currently, on this micro movement here, gumagawa rin siya ng micro box consolidation dito eh. Yan. So for me, maybe as long as mag-hold siya above 15. But yung cut talaga can be the 14.5. Ikaw, Jimmie, ano basa mo dito?
Ako, basa ko dyan. Ano nangyari sa MA?
Wala, hirap i-base yung MA kasi sideways eh.
1 week ba? Ano itsura niya? Ba mas malinaw?
Ano rin criss-cross din eh.
Hindi, okay lang yan. Ano yan? Parang RSI 50, tapos ayun, nag-MA20. Baka pwede. Yung MA20, tapos cut mo lang below that pag nag-close.
Dito, no?
Although week, east to cut yan, di ba? Hanggang backstop, may reward pa ba?
Well, maganda yung ginawa niya sa RSI, no? Kasi nag-support yung RSI 50. Although dun sa sinasabi ni Jimmie, I guess this box is your consolidation. Although medyo breakout pala siya no on the weekly from this consolidation. If body to body.
Maliit lang ata range na yan eh. So pwede ka mamili. If it makes a new low lower than the black candle, pwede ka mag-cut.
Mga 6% cut, 14.5 cut area. But checking the risk-reward ratio, medyo 1:2 naman to the box stop. Diba?
Baka
6%
Baka lang.
Diba?
Kasi ang hirap makita sa daily, diba?
Tama ka naman.
Mas swabe yung weekly kita mo.
So weekly kasi yung mga reasons to consider this can be the RSI, at least RSI 50 is holding, indicating na possibly may continuation move upward. At the same time, maybe it might trail the MA, pero mahirap mag-rely dito lang kasi linalagpasan niya, no? Tapos yun, if you plan to range trade this, pwede naman, kaso your tight cut might be this 14.5, sell ka near 17.5 to 18. So that gives you a 1:2 risk-reward ratio. So up to you if it's appetizing for you. Saka if it's a price movement setup that you are comfortable trading. Pero personally kasi medyo malaki yung range for me.
6%. So next. Next? All HC, Ma'am Annalyn, na-discuss na po namin, pa-review na lang po nung video.
Tapos
LTG.
Ano ba galaw na ito? LTG, medyo, we were looking at this kasi before We were hoping kasi na, sige, ikaw, Jimmie.
Parang gusto natin mag-inverse head and shoulder siya or mag-support man lang yung MA50 or MA20 pero wala, sinagasaan So parang nag-expand lang yung box.
Yeah. Ito kasi yung inverse head and shoulders na gusto natin. But normally kasi from inverse head and shoulder na moves, gusto natin kasi from here, gagalaw yung pataas. Yun yung gusto natin na moves. But the thing is dito kasi, binasag niya kasi yung neckline na to eh. So, pag tinanggal natin yung yan. So, yung ginawa niya kasi binasag niya kasi tong neckline eh. Kaya nasira yung pattern, no? And
baka
if you look at
sideways na lang siya.
Resisting pa dito sa midpoint eh. So medyo ingat na lang. At the same time, itong RSI, parang medyo may confluence of resistance lang dito sa move niya currently kasi RSI 50 might be a resistance point. Midpoint might also be a resistance area. So careful na lang when trading this. At the same time, it's just doing a sideways move, no? So pag sideways, maganda catch zone tayo near supports. Pwedeng box bottom. Ito yung premium entry somewhere near 8.5 or pwede rin dito sa key level na to. Yun lang. Pero offhand, baka mas maganda tignan yung mga yung mga stocks na paakyat. Currently kasi this is a downtrending stock, no? Downtrending yung mga tinitignan natin na below the MA 100. So it's moving downwards pa. Trying to reverse kasi it's doing a big sideways move but until such time na mabasag tong MA 100, still a sideways play. So weekly din below MA 100. So yun. Medyo personally mas prefer kong i-trade yung other stocks but may opportunities pa rin naman dito but di ko masyado gusto yung galaw niya on a technical standpoint. So yun. Monday, Monday natakal na namin, sir.
Ito.
Ralph eh. Mac?
Mac daw, Mac.
Sipin nga natin si Mac. Ang galaw ni Mac. Yun, box breakout, no? But
Uy,
yun,
RSI 70. Greatest of MA100. Pero sideways
if
pa rin siya.
if we look at the isa-isayin natin, if we look at the big picture, sideways move pa talaga siya na ito yung big sideways move. And if you look at this range, untog siya sa midpoint. Guhit na guhit, no? Kung ano yung untog niya dito, yun din yung untog niya dito. But also, if we look at it kasi, if we draw a micro box consolidation here, breakout siya naman dito sa point na to. So, itong si Mac, personally, for me, pwede kasi siyang tignan on this area. Pwede siyang potential test buy here kasi currently may supports naman at this area, no? Mga 4.9 to mga 4.9 to 5 pesos. 4.9 to 4.95 might be a support area. So, pwedeng buy on support. Tapos, easy to cut Parang 1%, 2% lang naman yung risk mo dyan pag na-invalidate
MA100.
yung trade idea. No? So, you can test buy near supports para at least kung tumuloy to, kung nabasag to, at nabasag din yung RSI 70, pwedeng may move up. But we have to watch out for resistances here. So, 5.5 as well as ito. Ito yung crucial na resistance area, 6 pesos. Pero malakas yung rejection here Pag tingnan mo, it tried to go to 5.4 tapos may sell-off na 5%. So medyo mahirap to i-buy on momentum. No? Mas mabilis i-buy on supports kasi very weak yung resistance areas niya. So if you look at this to here, 12 pesos. Ay, 12%. 12%. Pero if you look at the range trade lang dun sa box, mga 8%. So yun, pwedeng buy on the DB50 of the big box breakout 5.15 but better end of day. Another idea is to just catch it on this level of support near 4.9. Pero syempre, pag nabasag yan, know when to run. So yun. But if you zoom out kasi dito, mas mabilis siyang bilhin on the breakout dito sa 6.3. Kasi mas maluwag na yung move up dito sa, alam mo yan, mas konti yung resistances here versus dito na may kumpulan dito, may kumpulan dito. So those might act as resistance zones versus you just buy it near this area of resistance na breakout. Mas mabilis yung rally to 7 pesos. Pero let's see. So, pwede rin naman, if you're a swing position trader, pwede kayo mag-ipon dito, diba? Para at least, eventually, pag kumalaw siya here, mas malaki yung total net gains mo. But, note lang na this is a big consolidation. So, hindi yan, well, maliit lang yung chance. Possible, but for me, maliit yung chances na it'll just do a price spike going up, diba? Unless biglang may balita or may whatever. But, normally, mga ganitong sideways move na malaki with these price action patterns. Baka mag-resist muna siya dyan. Resist, retrace, bago mag-breakout. So, scenario lang. So, yun si Mac.
PHR.
SEC ba na-discuss natin kanina?
Parang hindi. Na-discuss natin bago tayo nag-live.
Sige, discuss natin.
Ito, EMA9, parabolic
Hirap
Goodbye.
Normally, we want to avoid yung mga inverse alignment ng moving averages kasi this indicates a fast move going down.
Parabolic siya pababa.
Tapos yung EMA9, it's trailing as resistance. So, pabagsak lang siya ng babagsak.
Pwede
At the same time,
dyan.
Ha?
Pwede ka mag-alt-I. Try mo nga mag-alt-I kung babaliktad yan.
Ayaw, gagi.
Ayaw, okay. Wala. Sige. Parabolic siya pababa. Yun lang naman.
Basta, parang yung mga indicators natin dito sa technicals, puros signs na it's moving downward na mabilis. Kasi yung moving averages, pababa, tapos fast trail yung trail niya, pababa, RSI niya, parabolic, pababa. So, it's giving you all the indicators na pabagsak pa siya. At the same time, all-time low ba to, Jimmie? Silip nga sa investor. Parang all-time low So, similar sa all-time high na paakyat ng paakyat, pag all-time low or multi-year low breakdown, fast move
All-time
down.
low.
Fast move down yan. So ako medyo hindi ko muna siya titignan. until such time na it's able to trade above the RSI 30 and it's able to trade above the MAs. Medyo hands off muna tayo dyan. Ano pa? SEC. Ano ginagawa na ito? SEC. Ikaw hindi pala. Well, breakout on the
body lang.
So, if you plot this body to body, breakout siya kanina. No? But if you plot it week to week, extend lang to. No? So, tingnan natin kung paano siya gagalaw. But if we zoom out, ang resistance niya talaga, resistance nito. Ito yata yung makapal na resistance here. Mga near 29 pesos, no? But may gap din here. At the same time, may key level din here. So, have to watch out for those areas of resistances na to the left. Pero pwede to, fast box breakout. Pwede rin buy near supports, no? Kasi baka, since parabolic na siya, baka EMA9 might support. So, maganda rin mag-test buy here sa catch zone. 23.6 to 24. Pwede rin breakout from 26. But the problem on the breakout is maliliit yung upsides kasi kada galaw, kada 4% may resistance. Pero fast box siya eh. If you look at the Darvas, that's parabolic move going up. So, could be a good opportunity. Sir Jason, gamit namin is AB Capital for charting. Medyo similar naman siya sa Investa. So, it gives us an alternative charting platform. In case mag-down si Investa or something, we have alternatives. So, yun. Mga
Wala na request.
Sakto, ayun. Sakto, 10 o'clock. So,
10
normally,
we want to be a short and
we try to keep these sessions short
and sweet, diba?
Para hindi rin kayo magsawa sa amin ni Jimmie. So, yun. Yun, may pahabol. Sige, pagbigyan natin tong si Sir Erwin. No? Let's look at house for the last stock. No? Tapos,
ayaw mo ng home? Ayaw mo ng home?
Kasi maganda rin naman galaw na itong house eh. Tingnan mo.
EMA9 lang
Fast box
pero, liquidity yan Nagka-liquidity lang yan nung na-value.
Pasilip nga, Jimmie, nung traded. Value traded. Ano ba to?
Check mo.
2
Hindi
million?
ko sure kung may liquidity Kasi like kahapon, ang value yata 2 million. Well, today it's value traded 65M.
Baka may cross eh.
Possible din na ganun, no? Cross lang pala yun.
Pero kahapon, volume is 400. Pwede naman, mga 4 million, ganyan. Pwede naman, pasang-awa sa liquidity.
Oo. Alam ko kasi nung nabaliw lang na mga candles, doon lang siya nagkaroon ng liquidity. So, if technical-wise, nandun siya sa sell area, tama ba?
Pero if you look at it kasi, Jimmie, multi-year high breakout din. Nagra-rally. Ito na yung next area of resistance for me. Dito kasi siya nagre-resist currently, guhit na guhit.
Sa area na yan.
Yan. So, pag nabasag niya kasi yung resistance na yan, ito na yung next. So, in terms of upside kasi from here, pwede pa naman mga 10% upside to this area. Pero yung bottom kasi nito might resist din. So, from the breakout, can be a 5 to 10% gain from here. Pero as Jimmie said, it's an EMA9 trail. So, pwede rin easier buy. Can be, try to catch it near support here. 10.2.
Cross lang daw pala yan, no? Sabi ni Sir Rex.
Mukha nga cross eh. So, parang you can try to catch it here. Mga 10 pesos to 10.2.
Ingat lang kasi ako, alam ko illiquid yan. Kita mo naman sa left side of the stock eh. Baka fragile yan Huwag kayo mag-allocate na malaki.
may hirap din to i-buy on the breakouts kasi very weak yung bottom ng candles. So, this means na intraday, tinutulak yung stock bababa, tapos near end of day, inaakyat ulit, diba? So, medyo dapat may patience ka, saka hindi ka masyadong shaky sa mga ganitong moves. Easier to just buy it on supports, no? Kasi may mga times na didilaan niya yung EMA9 trail. So, might be a good idea to just catch that pullback zones. Pero syempre, pag nabasag, no when to cut. So, yun. Yan.
Meron pa yata may pahabol.
Daming pahabol.
F-Gen lang, F-Gen. Itong Sir Jason, na-discuss na namin itong dalawang GMA7 and Monde. Pa-review na lang po ng aming video.
Primex daw at saka F-Gen. Sige, bigyan na natin. Pero Primex kasi illiquid yata itong si Primex.
Illiquid yan nung simula na nung ayan MA20 pababa.
Ano ba itong Primex na?
Trying to reverse yan pero wala.
Medyo just looking at the liquidity, less than 1 million traded. Ako medyo I'd avoid this na. So, diretso na tayo kay F-Gen. F-Gen, di ko mabasa yung galaw niya eh. Hindi ko alam yung
F-Gen kasi ganito yan.
Bakit may pullback dito? Alam mo ba?
In-announce ang F-Gen na papalitan si Wilcon to F-Gen. So definitely, ang nangyari kay Wilcon last Thursday was it gap up. Diba?
Yung rinali ni Wilcon,
yun yung nirally ni Wilcon, yun yung nirally ni F-Gen pababa. So, ang nangyari naman dyan sa hindi naman sa irrational selling, but of course, the fund managers, ang iniisip ng tao is yung fund managers mag-a-unload ng F-Gen. So, lahat nagbentahan. Pero, mostly, yung transaction ata, kaya mas malaki yung volume nung Friday. Kasi yun yung last day, bago day of effectivity, which is today. So, pag tinignan mo yung araw na yan, it's a mark on close na pababa. Mark on close na pababa, no? Yung Friday. Then, of course, tapos na mag-sell yung institutions, pasok na ulit yung mga investors. So, ganun. In the same way, pag tinignan mo si Wilcon, baliktad yung nangyari, di ba? Gap up, ganda nung up nung mark on close sa Friday, na gap up yung close, eto gap down yung close, then Monday, which is today, bagsak yung Wilcon, akat si F-Gen. So, try nyo observe yung mga pag-list ng PSEi, pag-delist, ganun. Check nyo yung galaw. O si Paul, mismo na ako. Punta mo ako dito. Punta ka dito.
Personally, mahirap i-trade tong si F-Gen, just looking at the price movements ng recent candles. No? Wala ka ng technical basis.
Wala na. Here, Parang sideways na siya buo.
Normally kasi when you look at well, at least kami on technicals, ideally you buy near consolidation ranges eh. You either buy near supports or you buy near resistance breakout. Etong looking at this, yung opportunity would be dito sa candle na to. Kasi this is a RSI 30 reaction that acted as support. At the same time, yung candle na gap up na ginawa niya here, it indicates na may support area here and buying pressure dito sa area na to. Pero pag na-miss mo na kasi itong purchase area na to, medyo ingat-ingat na eh. Kasi ito yung best entry point lang for me based on technicals. Ito, gap up na run up na So, medyo volatile na yung moves from here. Walang clear support and resistance area. So, mahirap na siya i-trade. Although, pwede siguro tignan na mag-gap support dyan, tapos mag-cut ka na lang. Pero, at the same time, yung hirap na basahin kasi choppy na di ba? Parang pwede mo isipin na RSI 50 might resist, di ba? At the same time, may consolidation ka rin dito na might resist. Di ba? So, mahirap na siyang i-trade for me. And for that reason, hindi ka siya masyadong gustong tignan versus the other stocks. Pero yun, anything can happen. It's just that looking at technicals,
wala kang makita uptrend or downtrend. Just a big sideways.
wala akong makitang entries for it. So, yun.
Last na pahabol. Last.
Meron ba? Sige.
MWC daw. Ako alam ko si MWC run up
Wala
na yan
na.
eh. Wala nang ano.
Wala
You're
na.
supposed to
Bye-bye
look for a
na.
pullback na.
Naiwan na tayo nito.
Iwan na.
Dito lang yung buy niyan eh. Buy on the breakout. Buy on breakout na dito. Breakout on the box sa RSI.
Wala na. Naiwan
Tapos
na tayo,
after
sir.
Lipad na.
Mistrade yun eh.
Mistrade. Yan na, 26% na yung nakit.
Grabe. In 1 week.
So, isa rin to sa mga nagpapatulak ng index. Near resistance na kasi ito eh. Kaya hands off
mo
na
na
tayo
lang pullback. Hanap tayo ng ano.
Ito.
Support.
Resistance area to eh.
Tayo ng support.
So, medyo ingat-ingat tayo dyan.
So, ito. Sabi ni Sir Exande, RRHI. Sir, paano na lang po? Na-discuss po namin yung RRHI.
Yeah, pa-watch na ng replay.
Watch na lang po na replay.
So, yun.
Thank you.
Extend tayo ng 10 minutes na para sa
last
minute request.
Pahabol lang naman.
Rin, always happy naman kami to help and accommodate. No? Dito kami para tulungan yung mga fellow traders sa mga trading journey nyo. So, PSEi looking good. Na-breakout na yung 7,000. Let's see if mag-hold above. So, good luck sa mga trades in the coming days, no? Parang marami-raming opportunity para masaya yung Pasko natin. So, yun. Ikaw, Jimmie, mayroon pa ibang
wala naman.
Final
words lang, no? Walang learnings, kamote earnings.
Yun.
So, good luck sa atin this week.
Good luck, God bless.
Magtasan natin yung PSEi sa Burmans, no? Para happy ang Pasko. May palitson.
Yep. Next week na ulit. Kita-kits Monday, 9 o'clock.
See you next week. Maraming salamat. Hope you learned from us. Bye-bye.